So I'm just gonna come out and say it. I'm actually starting to like the Action 2 a little bit more.
What did he say?
I got the macro lens for it, and I'll do like a full review on this. I even got the front screen module for it because I just really want to test it out in all of its glory. But for today's video, Ulanzi sent me a handful of cool Action 2 accessories, and I thought it would be fun to look at them and see what they do. And also, it's Thursday, so let's get right to it. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way, so, you know, don't be a stranger. Also, links to everything will be down in the description, plus a surprise link. Okay, each product gets its own 30 seconds, so let's start the clock, and let's start with this one. This is the metal cage. And one of the coolest things is it has a USB-C charge point for the camera unit or modules. It has a metal cage for just the camera, which looks really nice. It has a 1/4-inch screw hole for accessories or mounting, and even has these little rubber pegs for the buttons. And it also comes with a larger one to fit the power or screen module, and has room for the ports and SD card. But also 2 cold shoes for accessories like a mic or a light. And when you plug it in, it just gives you more juice, which works really nice with this Ulanzi BG2 power grip. Okay, next we have a base plate with a 1/4-inch screw thread. So you can have this on your tripod or mount and easily pop your Action 2 on it, which comes in handy to have more of these where you can just easily jump from one mount to the other. Speaking of which, check this one out. This is another base mount, but not only does it have a 1/4-inch screw thread, it also has a foldable Action mount for some of those Action camera accessories you might already have. And to top it off, it also has a USB-C port for more charging. And this just makes it so much better to be able to keep it charged since there's no removable or replaceable batteries. Moving on, we have a small head magnetic and backing. And this is so much better than you would think. First of all, you have your magnetic mount on a little ball head attached to an adhesive mount. So you can stick this to something that you'll probably use a lot, like a car windshield or helmet. But then you can unscrew the adhesive base and screw it into this magnetic base. And well, you can stick it to anything metal and then adjust it to the angle that you need. It's brilliant. Now, of course, you know they'll have their classic Ulanzi tripod with the Action 2 magnetic mount, which is a very nice and sturdy tabletop tripod. You can easily mount your Action 2, and then it has a ball head for adjusting the angle, and it becomes a little bit of a selfie stick, extending 28 centimeters or 11 inches. And speaking of ball head, again, another classic Ulanzi product, a really nice and strong ball head mount that you can attach to any tripod, monopod, selfie stick, or screw thread mount. And this has a cold shoe mount on the side. Perfect for a mic or a light, or I could use it for my phone in case I need to read any lines or look something up. Now couple that up with the metal cage and you are in Accessory City. Yeah, so those are all really good accessories. And to be honest, when they first arrived, I was like, yeah, I think they're gonna be okay, they're gonna be all right. But in true Ulanzi fashion, every single thing kind of surprises me because they think of everything. Especially with the metal cage, I thought it was amazing that they included a version so that you can just have it with the solo unit right there instead of a module, and also having the capabilities of USB-C charging. And then of course the ball head mount with the cold shoe, like this is a staple for me. Like a lot of times when I have my phone there and I'm trying to like read off of a script, it's so nice to have that right there. Or if you're live streaming, it's so awesome to be able to see your live chat right there. I also really love this little magnetic mount. It's so small, but it's gonna be awesome to take it around to different places and just be able to pop it on something metal if I want a different kind of shot. And yes, I've had a lot of criticism about the Action 2, but these are making me like it more and more because some of these accessories just make it so much more convenient to use. So in my mind, these are definitely like must-have accessories if you have an Action 2 or if you're looking to get an Action 2. Great prices as well. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. More product reviews and fun videos coming out all the time, from GoPros to DJI Action 2 to Insta360s. So stay tuned. If you want to, you can ring the bell. It's up to you. Yeah, you get notified. And I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.